What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is John Paul Investing. Now, first things first, guys, this video is sponsored. So generally when there's very bold products or ideas, they only remain bold up until the point where they're no longer bold or it becomes normal. Things like Facebook, things like Tesla and their electric vehicles. And once it's beyond that point where the idea is bold and it simply is, kind of the normal mainstream thing to do, it hits the point where, it's just the given. If you want to use social media, you use Facebook. If you want to use an electric vehicle, you use Tesla. There's a brand new business that I think is capturing this new market, which is the live streaming market, except they put a little twist on it. Instead of primarily focusing on audiences that you've already warmed up to, they are tailoring to a live streaming audience to complete strangers. And a unique aspect of their business that I think is going to possibly help connect the world in a positive way is going to be their translation feature. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about HLLPF and the variety of value that it's going to produce for the international markets. The North American markets have been saturated for some time, especially in the world of social media and streaming, things like Twitch. This is a great way to potentially diversify into the international markets and get into a company that is keeping up with the times and with the trends. So again, guys, that company is HLLPF. So HLLPF was founded and is run by the same person, KL Wang. He founded the company in 2013 and has been present for the last 7 years. Prior to HLLPF, he was actually the founder and CEO of Brill Kids International, which is a children's learning platform. And using his experience from Brill Kids, he became a chair member for the Early Education for Every Childhood Foundation. And this foundation focuses on giving the world access to early childhood education. So he's doing very good things in the world. And the fact that he was in these businesses for so long, if you look here, he was a part of Brill Kids for 13 years. He was a part of Early Education for 11 years. And right now he has HLLPF under his belt for the last 7 years. And thanks to his background in VC and private equity, all of these things were possible. Rich TV Live actually already has an interview here on YouTube. If you want to watch an interview about HLLPF with KL Wang, I highly recommend you guys check out that video if you want to learn a little bit more about the CEO and just kind of how he is. It's a great way to get involved in the business, is learning more about the founder and CEO of the business. So I wanted to share this video of the HLLPF quick tour just so you guys have an understanding of what the app is before you go and download the app. I do recommend you guys download the app, explore it, understand it, get a feel for what kind of value it creates for their users before you go and make any impulsive decisions. Remember, this video is sponsored. Do your own research before you make any financial decisions. I'm simply laying out the positives for you guys so that way you can see the value that this company is seeking to create for their users.
Ever wonder what people around the world are like? With HelloPal, meeting and making new friends from all over the world has never been easier. For a start, see what living in other countries is like by browsing through pictures and videos posted by users and interacting with those who interest you. Want to find people from specific countries? Simply start a new chat and select your search preferences, such as country, location, age, and gender. Can't speak or understand foreign languages? No problem. Just use our built-in translation tools wherever necessary. And last but not least, interact with users in real time through live stream videos. Just join any of the live stream feeds and chat with the live streamers using text or voice. Or better still, start a live stream broadcast yourself so you can share yourself with the world live. In fact, whenever you receive virtual gifts, you are actually earning money which you can withdraw whenever you like. So wait no more. Say hello, pal, and meet the world today.
At the time of this recording, HLLPF is trading on the over-the-counter markets at $1.43 per share. If you trade solely on Robinhood, for example, you won't have access to this stock, but if you trade with bigger, more established brokerages like Fidelity or TD Ameritrade, you might have access to HLLPF. They currently have around 153 million shares outstanding. This gives us a market cap of around $220 million in the business right now. So year over year, this company actually grew 900% in revenues from the start to the end of the year 2020. These are absolutely monstrous growth figures in terms of revenues. And if this doesn't establish proof of concept, I'm not exactly sure what will. Their monthly revenues have been consistently increasing. So on the OTC markets, we can actually see quarter over quarter just how much the revenues are exploding. So the video streaming market, which is the one that pertains to this, isn't entirely the only market this would be able to address. I'm going to get into the cryptocurrency mining that they established for their users in a little bit, but I just want to talk about the video streaming aspect. The video streaming market is expected to reach a $224 billion billion valuation by 2028, which is a compound annual growth rate of around 21% from 2021 to 2028. So over the next 7 years, we can expect around at least 20% in growth in this market. So being a tech online business, we expect high margins, but as we've seen in their financials, we can see here that the cost of their revenue has been pretty high in the previous quarters, but I think that this is going to bring a change to the business model and structure of the business. Just recently, at the end of last year, 2020, they announced the release of their one-on-one video matching service and a VIP membership model. In the app, you actually have to pay for translation, which allow you to translate messages in the app with very little to no intervention at all. You just press a button and then it translates it for you. So with the VIP membership, you are able to do that on an infinite scale and likely have more options on the one-on-one video matching service. Expanding on the company's successful introduction of video live streaming a year ago, the company has introduced a one-on-one video matching service to allow its users to easily meet other users directly through one-on-one live video chat. Users who wish to explore this new way of meeting others are matched with other similar users, enabling users to quickly and efficiently find others to video chat with. Launched alongside this new feature is a VIP membership system where users can subscribe for VIP memberships, which provide a host of additional perks and functionality to enhance not just the one-on-one video matching experience, but also to enhance experience throughout the HLLPF app, such as access to unlimited translation. Users can subscribe for VIP memberships or different prices and durations, ranging from $3.35 Canadian dollars per week up to $64 Canadian dollars per year. The other way they're able to monetize their user base is through the selling of virtual gifts, which users can then gift to live streamers or people hosting these rooms. HLLPF has close to 5.5 million users and has 15,000 daily active live streams since October 2020. Instead of looking to compete with giants like Facebook, Twitter, and others that focus on communication between existing friends, HLLPF created a safe and inviting environment for people from around the globe to meet for the first time. They haven't aggressively tried to scale across these markets quite yet, just because it takes money to do that, and right now they are starting to generate this cash flow in the business in order to fund these expansions. And now to get into the cryptocurrency pool that they are enabling for their users. So on February 17th, they released a press release announcing users the Bitcoin mining initiative. This will give all HLLPF users the ability to participate in Bitcoin and Ethereum mining in a simple and convenient way. I was going through all the features, and whenever I stumbled across the crypto wallet, I knew this would be a very lucrative way to capitalize on the cryptocurrency boom that's going to occur over the next decade. So the fact that they're up with the times and are able to, find ways to capitalize on this is very smart for the business, and it shows that they're looking to innovate. Now, besides just Bitcoin and Ethereum, they actually announced interest in Dogecoin and Litecoin mining for their users also. Just yesterday, on March 8th, they announced that they entered a letter of intent with a Shanghai company called Yitang Data Technology Co. Ltd. They have an initial interest of 15% in the mining facility located in northwest China to be dedicated to mining Dogecoin and Litecoin, with an option to increase their interest up to 35%. The number of mining rigs has been agreed to be a minimum of 12,500 rigs, with potentially up to 2,500 more, depending on how many more can be secured by the Yitang company before completion. So as you guys can tell, it's a streaming service, but it's made primarily to connect the world with each other. If you're strangers, part of different nationalities, and have language barriers, they want to eliminate this and make it more possible for people to interact with each other. And this could be of tremendous value because of things such as the network effect. They do have competitors out there, but I think that they have the edge because they are in the works of releasing a variety of other features such as Language Pal and Travel Pal, and really focus on getting people to interact with each other across national borders. Again, do check out Rich TV Live's interview with KL Wong. It's a great way to understand him as the CEO and get a little bit more information that I might have left out on this video. Now remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is sponsored, and I just wanted to present you guys a potential business that looks promising, that could scale up to be a potentially very large business in the future. And I will disclose that I currently do not have a position in HLLPF. If you would like to know when I do have a position in HLLPF, just go and check out the Patreon group in the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you're watching, please go ahead and hit that like button. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified when I make videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.